This dolphin is doing amazing bubble ring tricks. These sharks were not fans of this crocodile. No one would believe this if it wasn't filmed. This guy has been raising eagles since he was young. Here you have the cutest cowboy ever. This parrot lost its legs and got prosthetics, pirate style. This is a tiny dart frog. Owls sometimes look like cats with wings. I saw that people had different opinions about this penguin race. What do you guys think? Here's an eagle catching a bat mid-air. This is a Eurasian lynx. This guy dropped his phone, but luckily his golden retriever retrieved it. Get it? This black skimmer dips the lower half of its beak to catch fish. This is how great blue herons close their eyes. Thank you nature fans for watching, and I'll see you next time.